I come before you, helpless and weak, with many battles I cannot speak. In broken moments, tears that fall, you are the one who wipes them all.
When peace was gone and strength was few, you filled my heart with joy anew.
You never left me in the night. You held my hand till morning light. Forever I will praise you, Lord. Forever I will bless your name. Your mercy and grace never leave me. Your love remains the same. As long as I live and breathe, my soul will worship endlessly. Forever I will praise you, my God, my everything. In darkest days, you stood so near.
I heard your voice so calm and clear.
All is well,
My child, stay.
I am with you.
Do not be afraid.
You gave me victory over my fears. You turned my mourning into joy.
Through every trial, through every pain,
Your faithfulness
will still remain. Forever I will praise you, Lord.
oh,
Forever I will bless your name. Your mercy and grace never leave me.
oh.
Your love remains the same. As long as I live and breathe,
My soul will worship endlessly.
forever I will praise you,
My God,
my
everything.
You are my peace, my resting place, my covering in every space. Your power rises in my soul. I can't resist. I lose control. My heart responds. My spirit sings. You are my source, my all, my King. I will worship. I will adore your holy name.
Forevermore.
With every breath, with all I am, I lift my hands and praise you, Lord. Forever I will praise you, Lord.
Through every season, every way,
You've been so good, so full of mercy,
faithful to me every day.
till my last breath, till my last song. My praise to you
Will carry on.
forever. I will praise you,
My God,
my all,
my strength.
my song.
You are everything I have in me.
My life, my hope,
My eternity.